Welcome to Scholar's Tutorial. Let's solve a smart two-letter code reasoning question step by step. In this question, each image is given a two-letter code, and we need to identify the two-letter code for the last image. In this sequence, each image has a two-letter code. But here's the twist. The first letter represents the second icon, and the second letter represents the first icon. K represents egg, E represents cheese, O represents bread, T represents chocolate bar. In each case, the code flips the order of the objects. The first letter always belongs to the second object, and the second letter belongs to the first object. In the fourth image, the second icon is the cheese and the first is the chocolate bar. So, according to our rule, first letter for cheese, second for chocolate bar, the code is ET. Hence, the correct answer is option D, ET. With Scholar's Tutorial, pattern logic becomes crystal clear. Keep practicing and master every reasoning type.